close, easy way to grow your business. Different code to email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a type of direct marketing that uses personalization mass email to educate and convince a load to take specify actions like marketing, making a purchase. Let's start. Let's dive into the most comprehensive guide to email marketing on the internet. So, why email marketing is important? Uh, so, it is highly activate digital marketing sellers studies effective email marketing convert pro, prospect into customer and turns one-time buyers into repeat customers and raving fans. Email marketing has been around forever, and for good reason. It's the most direct and effective way to connect it, uh, write your leads, nurturing them and tuning them into customer. Consequently, winner out over all our marketing channel. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process uh, of setting up your email marketing mm, uh, funnels. So, in this guide, we'll walk your thought that entire process of setting up your email marketing funnel so that you can record leads and generate sales. This guide is for those who ready to commit to email marketing. If you unsure, you may want to read our guide on way 2.